Question number 1, part A. You engage in activities on constructing solid with your teacher in the classroom. Part 1. Name two solids that you constructed using equilateral triangles only. We can make by using equilateral triangles octahedron, icosahedron, we have to write only two solids. Then we can get octahedron and icosahedron. Part 2. Write name of an instrument which used to take measurements when constructing these solids. We can use ruler, or we can get it as meter ruler as the instrument. Then part 3, name two platonic solids. We know that for a platonic solid, all faces are regular polygons and there is only one shape for all faces, and constant number of faces are met at a point. We can write cube, regular tetrahedron, or any other platonic solid we have studied in the lesson. Then B. Following figure is a net constructed using equilateral triangles and squares. Part 1. If the length of side is 3 centimeters, find the perimeter of the figure. Then finding perimeter, we have to add all boundaries. It is like this. All side lengths are 3 centimeters. Then we have to add 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, these values. Only outer boundaries. Then 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 times 10 is the perimeter. It is 30 centimeters. In part 2, what is the name of the solid which could be constructed using the net shown in the figure? We can construct triangular prism by using this net. Triangular prism is this one. Then we can write answer for the part 2, triangular prism. Then part 3, write Euler's relationship for solids. We can write Euler's relationship, number of vertices plus number of faces equals to number of edges plus 2. Then part 4, show that solid mentioned in B part 2 satisfy the Euler's relationship. We can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vertices. Faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be equals to edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 2. We can get that 11 equals 11. Therefore, it satisfies the Euler's relationship. Then question number 2, part A. There is an expression we have to factorize. 4p minus 2 question number 3, part A. Sorry, question number 2, part A. Roman number 1. 4p minus 2. When factorizing, we can divide these two terms by 2. Therefore, we can get 2 as the common factor. 4p divided by 2, 2p minus 2 divided by 2, 1. 2p minus 1 is the answer. Then part 2, again we have to factorize given expression. It is 3a squared plus 6ab plus 9b squared. Highest common factor of given 3 terms, 3a. Then we have to divide all terms by 3a. 3a squared divided by 3a. 3a squared means 3a into a. Divide by 3a. We can get a is the answer. Plus 6ab divided by 3a. We can cancel out a and a. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 into b, 2b. Plus 9b squared divided by 3a. No, we can't get a as a common factor because of this term has no an a term. Therefore, we have to get only 3. 3a squared divided by 3, a squared. Plus 6ab divided by 3, 2ab. Plus 9 divided by 3, 3b squared. It is the answer for part 2. Then part B. Express 5.45 metric ton in kilograms. B part 1. 5.45 metric ton. We know that 1 metric ton is 1000 kilograms. Therefore, 5450 kilograms. Then part 2. We have to add metric ton and kilogram value. 4 metric ton 25 kilograms. 2 metric ton 95 kilograms. But we have to remember that when adding, we have to put 2 zeros to these two places because of we can write 3 digits in kilogram side. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 remaining. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 9, 12. We can write 12 because of this term is 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 metric ton and 120 kilograms. Then part 3, weight of a stack of paddy is 65 kilograms. Total weight of lorry loaded with 120 such stacks of paddy is 14.2 metric ton. Find the weight of the lorry before loading the paddy. We have to subtract. Final weight 14 metric ton and 14.2 means 200 kilograms. Weight of one stack of paddy 65 kilograms. I will multiply it by 120 to find the total mass of paddy. We can put 0 at the end of the answer. Then I will multiply 12 and 65. 120. We can put 0 of 120 at the end of the answer. Then 5 into 2, 10, 1 remaining. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 2 into 6, 12, 1 remaining. 6 into 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 0, 8, 7. 780 means 7800 kilograms. We can write it 7 kilograms and 7 metric tons and 800 kilograms. We have to subtract to find the initial weight. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 12 minus 8, 4. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 metric ton and 400 kilograms. So you can write it 6.4 metric ton. Then question number 3. There are two plane figures. We have to find the perimeter. Question number 3, part A. When finding perimeter, we have to add all boundaries, lengths of all boundaries. In the first one, there is a diagram like this. Question number 3, part A. This one 2 centimeters, this one 4 centimeters, this one 2, again this one 4. Then finding perimeter, we can get that this total length 4, this part 2, therefore this part should be 2. And this total length is 4 plus 2, 6. Then perimeter is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. We have to add all sides. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 centimeters is the perimeter of diagram in part 1. Then part 2, it is like this. Six centimeters, this one also 6, this one 2, this one 2, this one 2, and these two sides 6. We have to add all sides. 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2, 14, 20, 22, 28, 30 centimeters. Then B. A and B are parts of metallic wire with equal lengths of 48 centimeters. Part 1, student makes equilateral triangles using wire. Triangle using the wire. Draw a rough sketch of triangle and mark the length of side. We know that for an equilateral triangle, there is the same side length. Therefore, total wire length is given as 48 centimeters. One side should be 16 centimeters. Then part 2. Then the student makes a rectangle using the wire B. The length of rectangle is 16. Draw the rough sketch. Length of rectangle 16. This one also 16. 16 plus 16, 32. But the total wire length is 48 centimeters. Therefore, we can get sum of these two sides. I will get this side length as x. And we can get any other algebraic term. Then we can write total perimeter 16 plus 16, 32 plus 2x should be equal to total wire length. It is given as 48 centimeters. Then we can find x by using this equation. When removing plus 32, we have to put minus 32 to both sides. 32 minus 32, 0. Therefore, we can cancel out 32 in left hand side. 2x is 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 3, 1, 16. Then we can divide both sides by 2 to get the x value. 16 divided by 2, 8 centimeters. Then this side length is 8 centimeters. Means width of the rectangle is 8 centimeters. Part 3. Students make a combined plane figure by removing one side of rectangle in part 1 and joining the rest of sides of rectangle. Joining the rest of removing one side of triangle in part 1 and joining the rest of sides of rectangle in part 2. Draw the rough sketch for this combined figure and find perimeter of it. We have to remove this part. After removing this part, we can join. We have removed one. We can join this one and this one. We know that 16 is the side length of triangle and it should be equal to this one. Therefore, diagram should be like this. And when finding perimeter, we have to add all side lengths. Sixteen plus 16 plus 16 plus 8 plus 8. 64 centimeters is the perimeter. Question number 3. Question number 4. Part A. Roman number 1. Name a pair of vertically opposite angles. They have given a diagram. We can get vertically opposite angles. AFC angle and BFD angle. Then we can write answer for part 1. AFC angle and BFD angle, vertically opposite. Then part 2, find the value of A. When finding value of A, we can get sum of these three angles 180 because of it is adjacent angles on a straight line. Therefore, we can write A plus this angle is 90 equals 180 degrees. Then 2A plus 90, we can remove plus 90 by subtracting 90 from both sides. Then 90 minus 90, 0. 2A equals 180 minus 90, 90. Then we can divide both sides by 2. A is 45 degrees. 90 divided by 2, 45. Part 3, find the value of x. When finding value of x, we can get that this angle is sum of these two angles. A plus x should be equals 180 degrees because of A and x are two adjacent angles on the straight line. Then we know the value of A. I will substitute it. X plus 45 equals 180 degrees. Then x equals 180 minus 45. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 135 degrees. Then part 4. X and A is a pair of supplementary angles. Do you agree with this statement? Yes, we know that supplementary angles means sum of two angles should be 180 degrees. Therefore, we can write sum of x and A is 180 degrees. Therefore, those are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Then part B. What are three essential requirements need to name a pair of angles as pair of adjacent angles? We have to write there is a common base, common vertex, and angles should be either sides of common base. These are three requirements to adjacent angles. It means if there are two angles like this, we can get this angle and this angle adjacent angles. When drawing this angle and this angle, this one is the common vertex. This one is the common arm, and angles are either side in both sides of the common base. Then question number 5, part 1. Write next two terms in 4, 7, 10. We can observe that 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore, we can add 3 to obtain next term. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. Then part 2. Following note was prepared by a student to find the general term of a number pattern. Copy it on the paper and fill the blank pages. They have given first term 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1. In second term, there is a blank space in first term. Into 2 minus 1, 3. We can use 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 3 is, minus 1 is 3. In the third term, 2 into, there is a blank space in this one. Answer is 5. We can write 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 1 is 5. Then fourth term, there are 2 blank cages. We can write 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 1 is 7. You can identify pattern. Then, when writing nth term, it should be 2 into n minus 1. These are blank spaces. 2 into n, 2n minus 1. This one is the general term of the given number pattern. Part 2. Find the 21st term of it. When finding 21st term, we can substitute n value as 21. 2n minus 1, n value is 21. 2 into 21, 42 minus 1. 41 is the 21st term. In part 4, the general term of triangular number pattern is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Find 15th triangular number. When finding 15th triangular number, we have to substitute n value as 15 in the given expression. N value 15 into 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 15 into 16 divided by 2. Divided by 2, 1, 8. 15 into 8, 180. 120. The next question, question number 6. Part A, Roman number 1. Find the value of minus 3 plus 5. We can find it directly. We have to add given directed numbers. When adding directed numbers, we have to identify mark of given terms. We can observe that there are opposite marks. If there are opposite marks, we have to put the mark of the large term, it is plus, and we have to subtract terms. If there are opposite marks, we have to subtract. 5 minus 3, 2. Then part 2, find the value. Minus 3 into, minus 2 into, minus 3 into, plus 4. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 3, 72. 18 into 4, 72. In part 3, rewrite the following by filling suitable values. Minus 15 divided by, there is a blank space, minus plus 8. They have given next step. In that question, this plus 8, minus plus 8 should be in this space. In the next step, they have given a blank space plus minus 8. We know that when subtracting directed numbers, we have to convert minus mark to plus mark and we have to write the term with opposite mark. This one is plus, we have to write it with minus mark. Then answer is given as minus 11. When adding, if there are same marks, we have to put the given mark and we can add. Therefore, this one should be minus 3. Minus 3 minus 8, we have to add. There are same marks, we can put minus and 3 plus 8, 11. And we have to fill this blank such that we can obtain minus 3. We can obtain a minus value by dividing minus and plus. Therefore, this answer should be a plus value. 15, we can obtain 3 by dividing 15 by 5. Then plus 5 is the answer for this blank space. Then part B, Roman number 1, represent 81 p to the power 2 as a power of product. We can write 81 p to the power 2. 81 p to the power 2. We can write 81 with power 2, 9 to the power 2, p squared. Now we can write 9p squared. It is the power of product. In part 2, if x equals minus 1 and y equals plus 2, find x squared y plus 3y squared. I will write the given expression. X squared y plus 3y squared. X value is given as minus 1. Minus 1 squared. Y value is plus 2. 3 into y value is plus 2. When writing a plus term, we can write without the mark. When getting minus 1 squared, minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 1 into 1, 1. Then minus 1 squared is plus 1. Into 2, plus 3 into 2 squared is 4. Then we have to multiply first. 1 into 2, 2, plus 3 into 4, 12. 2 plus 12, 14. Then question number 7. Part A. Roman number 1. There is an expression. We have to simplify it. When simplifying an expression, an algebraic expression, we have to expand brackets first. When expanding bracket, we have to multiply all terms in the bracket by the term or mark outside the bracket. 2 into a, 2a, plus into minus, minus, 2 into 3, 6. We can't subtract a term and number, therefore it is the answer for part 1. Then part 2, minus 4 into 2a minus 3b minus 5b. We can remove this bracket by multiplying minus 4. Minus into plus minus, 4 into 2a, 8a, minus into minus plus, 4 into 3b, 12b, plus 5b. Now we can observe there are two b terms. We have to simplify it. Minus 8a, this one is minus. There are opposite marks. We have to subtract. Mark of the large term is plus. 12 minus 5, 7b. Then part 3, 5x times x plus 2 minus 2 times x minus 2. We can remove brackets. 5x into x, 5x squared, plus into plus plus, 5 into 2, 10x, minus into plus minus, 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 into 2, 4. Then we can simplify x terms. We can write 5x squared without any change. When simplifying x terms, there are opposite marks. This term is plus, this term is minus. Therefore, we have to put mark of the large term and we can subtract 10 minus 2, 8x plus 4. Then part B. Student bought P number of blue pens, Q number of red pens and R number of black pens from a bookshop. Part 1, write an algebraic expression to represent the total number of pens he bought. We have to add P number of blue pens, Q number of red pens and R number of black pens to obtain the total number of pens. Then part 2. If one pen costs 2p rupees, write the total cost in an algebraic expression. When getting total cost, we can multiply price of a pen and number of pens. Price of a pen is 2p. We have to multiply by number of pens, p plus q plus r. We have to write the algebraic expression, therefore it is not compulsory to simplify. Then part 3, When P is 6, Q is 2, R is 4, find the total amount he paid. Now we have to substitute values. Before substituting value, I will expand brackets. 2P into P, 2P squared plus 2P into Q, 2PQ plus into plus plus 2P into R, 2PR. 2 into P value is 6. 2 into P value 6, Q value 2. There is a product, therefore we have to put multiplication marks between these two all terms when substituting values. Plus 2 into P value 6, R value 4. Before adding we have to multiply first. 6 squared 36, 36 into 2 72. Plus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 6 24. Plus 2 into 6 12, 12 into 4 48. Then we can add 2 plus 6, 4 6, 6 plus 8 14, 1 remaining, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14. 144 rupees is the total cost.